Hey, thanks for opening this video. So you're interested in finding out about one of the latest apartment complexes going up in Kingston. This one is actually on Westminister Road. Prime location, pretty much in the middle of Kingston, just a bit outside of the hustle and bustle of the traffic. But these are the views that you'll get from the rooftop. Yeah, so stick around to this video and I'll show you around this new apartment complex. About 7 stories, 27 units, 31 units, apologies, 31 units, 27 one bedroom and the others are 2 beds. Here with a pool, there's entertainment spaces up top, space for a gym, there's underground parking, in-unit laundry, but I'll show you around. Sadly, of course, with apartment complexes in Kingston, you got to move quickly. So at the time of this recording, it's almost sold out. But I'll take a look at one of the units that is actually available. And you know, actually, if you want to just stick around and know more about properties going up in Kingston or anything Jamaican real estate, consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that post notification bell. My name is Ariel. I'm a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica, and I help my clients with buying and selling properties here. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. 876-553-4246. And of course, check out the channel. There are more things here regarding things Jamaican real estate and uniquely things Jamaican. All right, thank you. And loads of underground parking will be here. It's about 44 parking spaces. Just fitting in the safety stuff as you realize all those pipes. Alright, so again, never mind the dust, it is an active construction site. So this is a 1 bedroom unit. This one is about 600, a little over 600 square feet. So we had just kind of zoned in on the wash area. There's some space on that. In-unit wash areas are very, very vital in apartment complexes. Those who live there know. So it's good that a lot of the developers nowadays are paying some attention to that. This is the kitchen space, large window. Nice solid countertops will last you for almost a lifetime. Nice large door. Sliding door. This will give you access to your deck here. It's going to be, this will have railings and like glass sheeting to kind of cover it. But this area will be somewhat of an entertainment space. So you know, you can come chill out. There'll be plants on the side. There's a gazebo down there. You can go chill out. For those with this kind of access, they can probably just set up some chairs out here and just chill out. All right, so stepping back in, we have the bathroom here. Key feature of this bathroom I really like is that there is this door that takes you to your bedroom. So a person don't have to go to your bedroom to get to the bathroom. Also a very important part. There's your closet space. It's a pretty big closet space. You can go take a quick look. We'll have some shelf in there, but it's a fairly big space. And this is the bedroom. Again, already piped for air conditioning, and it also has a little balcony space so you can come out. This is the first floor, so there's not much view, or not the greatest view as you get on upper floors, but you know, when the landscaping is in and all those plants are there, it will be a different story. All right, so we're going to take a look at this 2-bed, unfinished. Let me step back and give you a span of the door. The size of this door is actually very, very good. And sometimes you don't play how important having a nice size door is until you need to fit in a lot of your furniture. But that one is a nice size. So this is the Open area here where the dining area is, your living space, living room, kitchen, all of that is here. Right, and you have this double deck here that you can step out onto. Enjoy a little bit more of the views. Minus the crying child. But those who have children know you can't control those cries sometimes. All right, so you have the wash area here, already piped and fitted out. All right, so let's go check out secondary room. And again, all these units are already piped for air conditioning. So step into this secondary unit. It's your closet space over there. Has a balcony as well. This large window and a bathroom. Still being finished, so it's a standing shower. Pipe for the air condition, of course. Another look at this space. So this unit is just a bit under 1,300 square feet. So you do get a good amount of room to play with here. More views. Storage closet there. It's very big. This is where the half bath will be. And this is primary bedroom. So this unit is one of those units that boasts a lot of balcony space. They can kind of show off a little bit. Here's the bathroom. Should have a double vanity extractor fan already in. Just the final touches there. And a closet. Closet has a built-in shelf. More than enough space. Yeah, so that's the 2-bed. Hey guys, if you're house hunting, remember it's very important to be pre-qualified for your mortgage, especially for most of us that don't have access to that ready cash. Ensure that you get pre-qualified for your mortgage. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you need some help, I can connect you with mortgage lenders, all right? All right, so this is the rooftop area, affording you some interesting views from up top. You know, all of here will be an entertainment space, your pool there, and that area around the back there, that's where the gym will be, or the space for the gym. Occupants will need to ensure that it's filled with the equipment they need. It's a fairly decent sized pool and it's on the roof, should be cool. It's going to be covered, as you realize, so it will allow for persons to, you know, enjoy a pool in the cool. It doesn't have to be all heavy with the sun. And you know, at night time, I figure some of the views from up here should be pretty nice. Alright guys, so you may have missed out on this one, but if you're interested in finding any other properties in Kingston, as I said, just give me a call. I'll work on getting it for you, alright? I've chosen some other videos for you to check out, so take a look at these videos, alright? And see you in the next one.